You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, meaning beauty or beauty, in French. This is French for beauty. Beauté. You can see the first syllable EAU together form the sound O in French, just like in the name beau, or the adjective beau meaning beautiful in French. Beauté, beauté. Now in English you can say it as beauté, beauté. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.